In the Hat of Kashmir, where snowy peaks touch the sky and the air smell of saffron and fruit, there exists a drink that defines warmth, love, and tradition of the famous Kashmiri kawa. This golden tea is not just a recipe, it is poetry in a cup, passed from one generation to another, keeping the essence of Kashmiri culture alive. Let's begin the journey of preparing this magical drink. Step 1. Take 300 ml of fresh water in a pan. In Kashmir, elders often say that the soul of kawa lies in the purity of water, because it carries the aroma of the mountains. As the water warm, add 1 stick of dalchini and cinnamon. Break it gently in 2 pieces so its woody, sweet fragrance can seep into the water. To make the flavor stronger, add a pinch of dalchini powder as well. The combination of cut cinnamon stick and cinnamon powder create a balance of the stick at depth, while the powder spread instantly, giving kawa its signature aroma. Now, take 2 green elaichi pod of cardamom. Cut them slightly so the seed inside can release their fresh flavor. Along with this, add a little green elaichi powder. The crushed pod give a natural, slow infusion, while the powder add an immediate burst of freshness. Together, they create a taste that dance on your tongue. After this, add 3 almonds, cut into thin slices. Almonds are symbol of energy and richness in Kashmiri household. Some family even grind almond into a paste before adding, but thin slice gives the kawa a delicate crunch that feel royal. Now comes the sweet balance of 1 spoon of sugar. In some homes, people replace sugar with honey, but the traditional touch comes from sugar. It blends softly with the spice and create harmony in taste. Allow this mixture to boil slowly. Don't rush it. Kawa is never made in a hurry, because it is not just tea, it is an experience. As the water boils, the fragrance of cinnamon, the freshness of cardamom, and the sweetness of almond begin to dance together, filling the room with the essence of Kashmir. Let it simmer until the water reduces from 300 ml to about 200 ml. This slow reduction is what makes kawa strong yet soothing. Now, gently pour the golden liquid into a cup. Watch the steam rise, it carries the scent of mountains, the love of Kashmiri homes, and the promise of warmth on a cold day. Take the first sip. The dalchini warm your throat, the elaichi refresh your breath, the almond give richness, and the sweetness touch your soul. With every sip, you are not just drinking tea, you are drinking century of tradition. In Kashmir, kawa is more than a beverage. It is hospitality. It is respect. It is a way of saying you are welcome, you are loved, you are home. Every guest is offered kawa a gesture of warmth, and no conversation.